Hi, love. I am very excited to bring you a freebie for March, and I previously customized my wallpaper in iPad and used my stickers from my latest collection, which is the Queen of Style, and I am still using my icons for customizing all of my shortcuts from my freebies pack that I gave out last year. So if you haven't been to my freebies folder, check that out. And I'm also going to give you a quick tour of my latest freebie that is now available in my freebies folder. So we'll go over to Goodnotes, and it comes with a couple of pages here. The first page is just my title page, but I'm also giving you some stickers that you can play with, and of course the text. That text is editable as well, so that you can change it to however you like. And I've got couple of other stickers here, and then a page where I've laid out some text for a sample editorial style. This is great for adding your pictures down the sides and having different call out boxes, action boxes, that kind of thing. So you could do like a monthly recap, or use this as a daily journaling template or something like that. And all of these text box areas are something that you can edit as well. So you can move it and reposition it, however you like. So I thought this was really helpful for coming up with different layouts, especially those that are getting started, because I get asked that a lot of I just got my iPad and Goodnotes and I don't really know where to go from here. So this gives you some options to just play around with moving some text blocks and finding what layout works for you. So the next page is the same text blocks, but it also has a freebie sticker in the background that you can move. So you can do you can keep it in the center, you can have it off to one side, and you can resize it or crop it, whatever you want to do. But I thought this would be fun to do like a woman's silhouette for the Women's History Month. So and cropped easily to whatever you want. So again, just something to start off with that could be a basic for if you're new to Goodnotes and you're not sure what to do. This can give you kind of a cool starter sticker to play around with and just get familiar with the tools. So I hope you guys enjoy this freebie, and I plan to have many more to come, as well as another kit coming hopefully next week, and I will see you guys soon.